Assalamu alaikum students. Today we shall learn about compound words. What are compound words? Compound words are words which are formed by two different words. When two different words join together to form a new word, it is called a compound word. See, sun is a word. Sun is a word. It is flower is another word. Sun and flower together, when they join together, it forms sunflower. Sun and flower forms sunflower. In the same way, star is a word, fish is another word. When star and fish join, they form starfish. This is completely different. It is an animal. Okay, then next, keychain. Key. To open the door we use key. Board. Blackboard, to write something. When key and board, two words join together, they form keyboard. In the computer, the keys, in order to operate the computer, we have numbers and letters in the keyboard. Okay, so next, light is a word. House is another word. Light and house together join to form a new word, lighthouse. Lighthouse. In the same way, you have different words which join to form new words. Mail and box form mailbox. Foot is a word. Ball is another word. Foot and ball together join to form a new word, football. Peacock forms peacock. Basket and ball, two different words join to form basketball, a new word. Jelly is a word. Fish is another word. Jelly and fish together form a new word, jellyfish. Book and worm forms bookworm. Wheel and chair forms wheelchair. Watch and man forms watchman. Rain and bow forms rainbow, a new word. Cup and board forms cupboard. News and paper forms newspaper. Ear and ring forms earring. Dragon and fly forms dragonfly, a new word. Cow plus boy forms a new word, cowboy. So, what are compound words? Compound words are words which are formed by two different words. Two different words join to form a new word called compound words. Example, sun, flower, starfish. Key and board forms keyboard. Light and house form lighthouse. Rain and bow forms rainbow. Watch and man forms watchman. Next you learn about clip words. Clip words are short form. You write some words which are very long. You write it easily in short forms. For example, advertisement is a long word. You can write it in a short form like ad. Advertisement is called, the clip word of advertisement is ad. Mathematics, math. Automobile, auto. Examination, exam. Refrigerator, fridge. Laboratory, lab. Hippopotamus, hippo. Zoological park, zoo. Gymnasium, gym. Spectacles, specs. Photograph, photo. Centum, cent. Microphone, mic. Now, we learned what are homophones. Homophones sounds like, but it have different meanings. One such homophone is two. Two, two. Three also sounds the same, have the same sound. But TO2 has the meaning for reason, any reason. Two is number. 1, 2. Too means very. Too tired. Too good. Too very. Very good. Can also be told as too good. Very tired can be said as too tired. Now shall we write the answer here? Mom had promised Dash to take Ben and Jill. Mom has promised, mom has some reason with Ben and Jill. What is the reason? She has promised Ben and Jill take, to take, to take. The reason mom has promised is to take Ben and Jill to the zoo. To the zoo. Mom has promised to take Ben and Jill to the zoo. So, to say some reasons, we use to, to. Okay. The children were, when the children heard about this, that mom is going to take them to the zoo, they were very, very excited, very, very happy. So, how will they express? They will express as too. The children were too excited. The children were too happy. Okay. Then the children took dash bags of toys along with them. The children, now here you have to write the number. The children took 2 bags of toys along with them. Though 2 has the same sound, 2 differs in meaning according to the sentence, according to where the sentence occurs. For example, mom had promised to take Ben. We cannot write TWO, to take Ben. It becomes wrong. We cannot write too also. Then too much, to take Ben is also wrong. Two is a reason. So, mom had promised to take Ben and Jill to the zoo. The children were too excited, very much excited. They took 2 bags of toys along with them. Now, so you know how the homophones are used in different ways. Okay, in a sentence.